You have an idea, a great idea that can change your company for the better. But having the necessary resource to show it to your team is as important as the idea itself. With that being said, having the correct set of tools that can ease the process to communicate your projections to your team can save you lots of time, money, and resources, so you can focus on scaling your company. In this video, we will present to you Moqups, a platform that lets you generate several visual products to support a variety of projects, such as dashboards, mind maps, prototypes, mockups, and many other tools to express your goals to your team. So stick around to discover how great this tool can be for you and your business. Welcome to softwaretrailers.com. You'll be able to watch your concept come to life with wireframes and mockups, allowing you to test and prove your ideas. Then you can explore and iterate as your team grows, seamlessly moving from lo-fi to hi-fi as your project progresses. It's time to start planning your strategy. You can arrange your thoughts and give your projects a clear direction using expert diagramming tools. You can create sitemaps, flowcharts, and storyboards with Moqups and quickly jump between them. Once your project has taken shape, you will be able to showcase it. Adding interactivity to your ideas can aid in creating a working prototype. It's good to run a user experience simulation before putting money into production to find residual requirements and track down barriers. Now is the moment to put together the team to help you achieve your goal. With real-time communication, keep everyone on the same page and give input at each stage of the design process. You'll be able to hear from everyone in the room and evaluate all of your alternatives if you update and comment on designs in real time. Your productivity will soar, and your objectives will be met using Moqups' adaptable design solution. You don't have to deal with the trouble of uploading and downloading files while operating in the cloud. No matter where your team is, you'll always be in sync. Besides, with curated design tools, you can give collaborators the functionality and flexibility your team requires, without any extra or distracting complexity, with a single easy interface. To keep your team focused and moving forward, you'll be able to collaborate in a single creative environment. All stakeholders, including product managers, business analysts, system architects, designers, and programmers, can develop consensus and communicate clearly. You can have a complete collection of design tools at your fingertips in a single design environment. Without switching between apps or platforms, you can access diagrams, wireframes, and prototypes. You can drag and drop widgets and innovative shapes from a comprehensive library. Plus, crop numerous variations of the same image without destroying the original. With intelligent and dynamic tools, you will be able to resize, rotate, align, and style items, or transform numerous objects and groups. You can also replace icons intelligently with a drag and drop replacement that maintains the icon's size, location, and appearance. Additionally, robust page management capabilities enable you to manage projects of any size or complexity. For example, you can drag and drop pages to reorganize them fast, or organize them within folders. This excellent tool has 5 amazing products that will help you and your organization streamline your operations and increase collaboration. Let's see what this tool has to offer. Remote teams can use Moqups to create wireframes and collaborate online swiftly. Your team can use wireframes to create internet and mobile applications user interfaces. You can move quickly from low-quality design to high quality with careful planning. You can design in your browser on Windows or Mac. Plus, wireframing can be done by dragging and dropping pre-made UI elements. The latest iOS and Android device frames are combined with tens of thousands of blocks of UI shape, stencil, and icon sets from Google's Material Design. It's essential to give feedback where it's needed. Sticky notes, callouts, and annotations can help keep your team on the same page for creating specifications. Plus, you don't have to convert your designs to keep them current. You can iterate as much as you like. Using the free online flowchart builder, you can collaborate with your complete cross-functional team to design excellent diagrams, including intricate systems, business processes, customer journeys, and information hierarchies. By dragging and dropping diagram shapes, you can easily visualize any flow, system, process, or idea. You and your team can work on the same page in the cloud, using live cursors, chat, and comments to stay in sync no matter where you go. You can also export presentations as PNGs or PDFs, and then share the links to the projects with others to make them more accessible. With Moqups Online Graph Builder, you can transform raw data into stories personalized to your company and audience. Anyone on your team can create a chart and share it with anyone in minutes. Here are 4 simple steps you may follow to produce stunning graphs. First, choose from more than 100 pre-designed themes and chart kinds, and then customize them. Second, paste data from a CSV file into a completely editable table. You can also add legends, grids, colors, fonts, padding, and more to your graph to match your brand and target audience. Finally, you can show and interact in real time, receive feedback directly on the page, invite and share privately, add to your dashboard and convert to PNG or PDF instantaneously. You can use Moqups visual collaboration tool to present, train, or meet online. You can either make new artwork or scribble on an existing one. Your team can effortlessly record their comments in online meetings and feedback sessions. Members of your squad can also join in on the fun. Using Zoom or Skype for video conferencing allows you to share your screen. Besides, you can use the preview feature to view your material on Android or iOS. Using Moqups free UML tool, you can generate visually appealing representations of your company's processes. Create your diagram using drag and drop, or one of the many diagramming templates available. The same user interface can be used on all 3 major operating systems: Windows, Mac OS X, and Linux. In addition, you can use drag and drop elements to construct diagrams in the unified modeling language. You can also communicate in real time, share via live link or file sharing apps, and export to PNG, PDF, or HTML formats. As you have seen, Moqups is an ideal tool to create all the necessary visual products to show your plans and objectives successfully, so you and your team can have a clear path and increase your business's productivity. If you want to use Moqups services, you can do so by clicking the link in the description. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers. And don't forget to subscribe to our social media channels. Thanks for watching. See you next time.